Good morning, students, and welcome to today's English spellings class. Dear students, today we will do 15 words from column 1. From nuclear, the first word which we will do today is nuclear, and the last word we will do today is device. So let us start, and before we start, dear students, practice spellings every day. Whatever words you have got till now, learn them, memorize them every day. Okay? So, nuclear. 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 Once again, nuclear. Nuclear. And you know, a nuclear family is a small family in which mother, father and children live together. So here is a picture of a nuclear family. Generation. Second word is generation. Generation. Once again, generation. Generation. So generation means people who are born and grow old in the same time. So here's a few people you can see, they are of same generation because they were born at the same time and they grew old at the same time. So generation. Next word is chargeable. Chargeable. Once again, chargeable. Chargeable. Chargeable means which can be charged. Like the battery of your mobile phone, it can be charged. So mobile phone has a chargeable battery. And what is a battery? A battery is a small device for storing and supplying electricity. It can store electricity. Like when you charge your mobile, it can store, the battery can store electricity and then it gives power to your mobile. So, chargeable, Chargeable, battery, Battery. Next word is homonym. Homonyms are words which have the same spelling or pronunciation but different meaning. So here we can see wave. One wave you can see is the wave, the large wave washed many shells onto the beach. So this is a wave, and another wave is the girl is waving her hand. So spelling is WAVE, but one wave is the wave which you can see in the ocean, and the other wave is an action the girl is doing. Synonym. Synonyms are two words having same or nearly the same meaning. So like you can see small, the ant is small, and the two words there are tiny and old. Now which is the synonym of small? Yes, the correct answer is tiny. Tiny is synonym of small. So synonym SYNONYM. Synonym SYNONYM. N-O-N-Y-M. Next word is knowledge. K-N-O-W-L-E-D-G-E. Once again, knowledge. K-N-O-W-L-E-D-G-E. And knowledge means what you know. That is your knowledge. And we should increase our knowledge, because knowledge is power and education is the key to our knowledge. It tells us what is right and what is wrong, how we should behave, how we should live, and it tells us everything that we need to know. So knowledge is power. Next word is fraternal. F-R-A-T-E-R-N-A-L. Now here you can see the picture of twins who do not look like each other. So twins who do not look like each other are called fraternal twins. And twins who look like each other are called identical twins. Now, hereditary. Hereditary means features that are passed down from parents to their children. You can see the picture of a cat. The cat is also like white and little bit of orange and black, and you can see the kittens also like their mother. And you can see a dog, and the puppy is also like resembles its mother. So you can see hereditary means parents pass on the features to their children. So kittens look like their mother cat, puppy also looks like mother dog. Tradition. T-R-A-D-I-T-I-O-N. So every family has traditions and we should follow the family traditions. Like when someone comes to your house, the family tradition is that you welcome your guests. You say namaste. So this is a family tradition. So once again, tradition, T-R-A-D-I-T-I-O-N. Next word is predecessor. P-R-E-D-E-C-E-S-S-O-R. And successor, S-U-C-C-E-S-S-O-R. Predecessor means the number coming before, and successor means the number coming after. So if you want to know, like here the number is, main number is 7148. Now what is the predecessor of this number? You have to minus 1, then the predecessor of this number is 7147, and to find successor you have to add 10, that is 7149. So predecessor coming before, successor coming after. Ascending. A-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G. Ascending means to climb up. In ascending order, the numbers are from smallest to biggest. Smallest to biggest. Okay. We start from 1 and then you climb up till like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, from smallest to biggest. And in descending order, spelling of descending, D-E-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G. In descending order, it is from biggest to smallest. Now, here the next word is device. Device. D-E-V-I-C-E. Device is something made for a particular purpose. Now this is a smart home health monitoring device. Like now we have COVID-19, so you cannot go to hospital for all your checkups. So you can have this health monitoring device through which you can check yourself at home only. So device, DEVICE. So dear students, these are the 15 words. You will write them 3 times in your English spelling vocabulary copy and learn them. And next week I will give you your spelling list of standard 3 columns 1 to 5. So dear students, thank you and have a nice day.